Okay, our next guest is on a mission to help people feel confident and cared for in their skin. And we all need that, especially for the summer. Joining us this morning is the founder of Skin by Trace, Tracy Ann Mullings. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks for being here.
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you very much for asking. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good,
That's
thanks.
lovely. Tell me a little bit about Skin by Trace. How old is this company? How did you start it?
Okay, so Skin by Trace technically started in 2018. I was dabbling a little bit with skincare products and all of that, and a lot of people were asking me, oh, how do you get your skin and your hair to look the way that you do? And I was doing a lot of natural things. I was using regular stuff. So like in here you have like normal sugar where you buy off of the shelf, and it doesn't feel like real sugar, right? So I was using these natural products and just kind of using that to enhance myself. And then Skin by Trace kind of just morphed out of that. I went and got certified, to learn all the ropes and ensure that when I'm giving advice, I'm doing that from a place of knowledge, because there's
people's skin you're playing with.
Exactly, no right? Exactly.
All right. So you say you've worked on building a brand that centers around community, wellness, and education.
Right.
Community, wellness, and education. Because you say that you found that the beauty industry lacked transparency and information. Right. Talk to me about that.
All right. So some of what I noticed as somebody who was going to get treatments and going to do things is that sometimes a lot of the beauty entrepreneurs, what I'm going to call them, they don't necessarily tell you exactly what they're doing to you, why they're doing this process. So what I do whenever I have a client who comes in, because I also do waxing and body care, I will always walk you through exactly what I'm doing, especially if you're somebody who's never done a wax before, if you've never used any of these products before.
You say, Don't
tell the people them that.
It's going to be painful.
There's a little discomfort depending on what's going on with you.
Euphemisms abound. Yeah, there's a
little discomfort depending on what's going on with you.
Right.
Because as you know too, is that for waxing specifically, depending on where you are in your cycle, that might feel a little different each time.
I don't know anything about that, miss, because I don't self-torture. But hey, there are people who love it. I'm not judging anybody. So everybody's sitting here now. You look at her skin.
Yes.
She is a client coming into you. Where do you start?
I start by asking her like what she does. So I'm gonna get a little background. So what do you use on your skin? Like how do you take care of it? So if you sleep on like a satin pillowcase, because that's what I do. I sleep on a satin
Yes.
I sleep on a satin pillowcase to keep my hair and my skin looking moist. Because what happens is when you sleep on the cotton, it pulls the oils out of your skin. So then sometimes when you realize you get a little dry, maybe around.
I never knew that.
Yes, cotton can do that. I mean, cotton is great, breathable and everything. We love cotton. We're not hating on cotton. But when it comes to maintaining the moisture level of the skin and the hydration, cotton can really suck all of that out of you.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So let me see what you have on the table and what would you use on Ava's?
Okay, so what I have on the table here, I have the cuticle oil, which is for nails, a sugar scrub, body butter. But since we're going to be focusing on Avril's face, these two products here are the star of the show for her, right?
Tell me what those are.
This is a rose water hydrating mist, and this is a renewing face oil. So what is in here?
Ooh, is that like a serum of sorts?
Yeah, kind of like a serum. So this is two ingredients, vitamin E and carrot oil. That's it.
Wow.
Yeah. And so what that does, carrot oil helps to maintain your complexion, keep you nice and bright and hydrated. I know vitamin E helps with any kind of healing that needs to happen. So when I'm looking at you right now, I see that you're already moist, right? So big up yourself.
My
you look
skin
like
party.
Right? And I love your complexion. You're looking great. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do too much, but the beauty about this product is you don't need a lot for it to do what it's supposed to do. So usually I put on like 2 drops, right as so, rub it in, then I set it with this hydrating spray, and that's me glowing for the day.
Yes.
And what's good is that both of these products are light. So, especially with the heat, we're going outside right now, right?
Yeah.
So this is one of the most versatile products. Let me tell you. This one, it acts as a moisturizer, but it also helps to refresh twists and locks.
Does it?
It does.
And what's the value of rose water to the skin?
All right, so rose water helps with moisturization, helps to retain the moisture, helps to keep everything hydrated. It's a natural humectant as well, so it pulls moisture from the air into your skin.
Is that right?
Same with sugar.
Look here.
Sugar and honey and them little thing there, they pull moisture
We're not
from
nose.
the
So
air.
you're going to put it onto Haver's?
I'm going to put it on.
Let's do it.
All right, so we're going to start with the face oil. So what I tend to call this, I call it a day and night oil because, as I say, light enough to use both day
times.
and night, right? So see right there, just come up. 1,
Bam.
2.
Bam.
Nothing more is needed, right? Look at that. A nice glow coming on.
Yeah.
So especially for people who like that dewy look, that nice glowy and dewy look, that
Which
one.
is what is really wearing now.
Right.
Skin to look nourished and supple and
Nourished and
yes, that's
supple.
nice. That's nice.
And it smells good too, so it's nothing too crazy, nothing too harsh on the skin. And what you want to do, you want to also just moisturize it, push it into those pores.
Vitamin E and what you said?
Vitamin E and carrot oil.
Both natural.
Both natural ingredients.
All your products are natural.
Right.
Okay.
I use natural ingredients in everything. So just close your
Shut
eyes.
your
for me.
Haver's.
White now. Oh, there we go. See?
Ooh, I will say, ooh.
That's it. And
Yeah.
so what it does too, like you see, because it's warm outside, it can also act as a cooling spray because it has the peppermint in it. Right. So
Is this the extent of the line now?
there's one more product usually. This is the sugar scrub. So we have sugar scrub, body butter, body oil, rose water, cuticle oil.
Okay.
Right. So that's everything. And what I try to do, I try to make everything light because you know some people they don't, especially Jamaicans,
can't
trouble with their
manage
sinus.
oppressive.
Right.
Girl, talk to me about it. Yeah. and
Right.
Where do we find your stuff?
I am located at 11 Arden Road. So both products and services can be received at 11 Arden Road.
Okay, perf. And where do we find you in social?
On social media, I am Skin by Trace on Instagram.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. She leaves your skin with good traces. Okay.
I like that. That's so nice.
Talk to me about it off the air. We'll work out a package.
Yes.
Thank you, Madu.
And thank you.
Thank you, Tracy.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it. All the best with your business.
Thank you so much.
Founder of Skin by Trace, Tracy Ann Mullings. So take a break on Smile. We'll be right back. Did you guys just do that at the same time? Oh my gosh.